Hello everyone, I am RPM Nexus, the bargain tech reviewer. Here on this channel, I try to go out and look for all the tech that's at a bargain price, specifically like mobile device gadgets and Bluetooth speakers and stuff that I could just get my hands on that may be able to help you in your everyday life. Anyways, in today's video, guys, it's going to be something really new, something out of the ordinary that I don't particularly do on this channel, but I'm going to start doing it. I'm going to start doing first impressions and unboxings, and here, hopefully soon, like in the near future, I will have an overhead look kind of thing where it looks down at the product so you guys can get a closer look at it, because I do have a Canon M50 that I am dying to use as part of my YouTube journey and all that stuff, besides the 1080p Logitech camera that I am currently using right now. But anyways, guys, let's go ahead, let's drop right into this video. But before I even get close to opening this particular package I got from Amazon, what I need you guys to do is do me one solid favor, is hit the subscribe and that bell notification, because everything I'm about to show you, you will want to be here when I show you the review and the actual specs and everything on this particular product coming next Monday. Alright, the first impression and the very first video that I'm going to do an unboxing on, it is going to be a microphone from Fifine. These guys have been such a tremendous support of the channel, and I've been a big fan of the products. I mean, yet I am only using a Yeti, but I'm hoping this right here will be a tremendous help, because I'm hoping this particular microphone right here will be something I could use in the future, because it is super small. It's not super bulky like this particular microphone, or I could have used the USB lavalier microphone that these guys sent me, and I will leave the link for that video down below in the description so you're able to find it. And all the, matter of fact, any of the Fifine microphones that I've used in the past or I've done a review on, I will leave all the links down below, especially for this one right here. I can't wait to see this one. This is basically going to be first impression. I haven't even opened this. It's been sitting in the Amazon bag for a while that I got from Amazon, so I'm hoping this thing's going to look really cool, like first impressions. Let's go ahead and take a look. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to just take a look at it. I'm not really going to like go into details on the voicing and everything. I'm going to just kind of get my first impressions, how it looks and how it stands out and stuff like that. And then I will like the next video on the review wise, so I can test out the sound and make sure it sounds as good as the Yeti, if not better or worse. I am going to put my 100% review on this, and I know if you find it on the other side, I know you guys are probably watching the video, but I'm going to just let you guys know this is going to be a raw kind of thing, and I'm just going to just give you my reviews on this. So let's go ahead, let's open this box up. It's a pretty good box. It's got the user's guide for the K054. This is really cool. As you can tell, that microphone's got a really cool bass to it, and just the fact that it will be able, wow, this is pretty heavy. I like the way it sits. It's got, what we got here? We got a little thank you note. Dear sir, madam, thank you for being our valued customer. We hope to impress you with our customer experience. Please reach us at fifinemicrophone.com if you need a support, blah blah. Okay, that's really cool. That's a little welcome note to buying the product. But check this out. Look at this right here. This bass right here is really cool. It's got a little weight to it, so I'm hoping this thing, and look at that. Look at the microphone. That is pretty neat. That microphone is kind of big on there. I can't wait to really test this out and see how well this sounds compared to this Yeti, and I am so fulfilled. I'm hoping, well, that's the mute button right there. That's the one where you can push to mute the microphone, which is really cool. So that'll come in handy when it comes to like when I mess up on my videos or something of that nature. And then you got the volume right here where you can turn it up or turn it down, the gain wise, which I don't have a whole lot of gain on this one. You got the USB cord, so I'm assuming it's just a simple plug and play. And then as soon as you get it plugged in, you got the rigid cord right here. That's really cool. I like how it looks. I mean, it'll sit right just like this. I mean it won't, the size difference is like super weird. Like, look at the size difference. You can barely see this microphone. I mean, look at the size difference. That is really cool. I can't wait to use this, because it would just literally just sit right here and I'll be able to talk through it and all that really cool stuff. But as I mentioned, I'm not going to really do like a review right here right now or anything. I'm not going to even like plug it in just yet. I am going to like get all the B-roll footage and everything, and then also get this sound test between this Yeti and then this microphone, and then as well I may pull out the old K669B and give that a whirl as a test or something like that. But I'm going to test this particular condenser microphone to this microphone. So guys, make sure you come back next Monday for the review, and I can't wait to see you. If you enjoyed this particular video, I'm hoping in the future I could get the overhead shots where I could actually unbox it underneath the overhead shot, so it'd be a lot cooler than what I'm showing you here. But I mean, this thing is really cool. Look at the look of the bass. The bass is really cool, and especially when I start using my Canon M50, you'll start to see the details on a lot more stuff. But I figured I'd try to give it a whirl. If you like this particular style of content and you want to see more of the first impressions and unboxings, just hit the comments down below. Let me know what you thought about it. And guys and gals, I hope to see you in the next video. I love you guys, and I'll see you soon. Peace.